Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's cocktail is a riff on the Hotel National cocktail by swapping out the apricot for banana liqueur and working with two different types of rum with the addition of a cinnamon syrup. We will make the Elusive Dream cocktail today, so stay tuned. Ingredients are coming up next. You will need 1 ounce of Plantation Stiggins Fancy Pineapple Rum. 1 ounce of blended age rum, we're using Plantation 3-Star today. 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of cinnamon syrup, and 1/2 ounce of banana liqueur. We will garnish with a pineapple wedge. Today's cocktail was created by Demi Natalie at the Patterson Hotel in Nashville, and I found this recipe in the Easy Tiki book by Chloe Franchette. Okay. I used Plantation pineapple rum for this cocktail today, and what I did to bump up the flavor was I cut a pineapple in half, and then I used 1/4 of that, cut the rind off, and used the rind and pieces of the fruit and put that in a bottle, and I infused that for 48 hours, and then I strained that back into the original bottle. So let's mix this cocktail. 3/4 of an ounce of cinnamon syrup, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, and then we're going to have 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and then we'll have 1/2 ounce of banana liqueur. I'm using Gifford's today. And then we're going to have 1 ounce of 3-Star Plantation blended rum, and then 1 ounce of the pineapple rum. Woohoo! Okay, let's get some ice in the tin and mix this up. I'm going to actually use 1 rock. I find a lot of times that allows that pineapple juice to really froth up a lot more, and then you don't get huge chips in there. So let's get this into our coupe. I'm going to use a fine mesh strainer and strain it through that into the glass. And then let's get a pineapple wedge for garnish. And that is an Elusive Dream. All right, I'm gonna try the Elusive Dream. What a great name. Oh my God, this is an incredible cocktail. When you infuse that pineapple rum, it really boosts up the flavor and it gives it such a great texture. I can taste the cinnamon, but it's very, very light. The pineapple is really nice. It's really a balanced cocktail, but I barely get the banana liqueur, but I do think that it breaks up the rum a little bit. Not much of the lime here at all. It's not like super tart. It's really perfect. It's a super, super tasty cocktail. It's one of those drinks that you can drink very quickly, and it's a great anytime cocktail, and anybody that you make it for would be really happy. So that's it for me today. See you next Friday. Oh, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell on your way out. And follow me on Instagram because I post a picture and a recipe over there, and that's at Home Bartender Ann. That's it. See you next week for another great cocktail. Be well. Yeet.